Piranha are in service with many of the world's armies. What makes them so appealing? Hello all, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we will go through the Mowag Piranha 3. But before we get into the video, kindly note that information provided in this video is for educational purposes only. Without further ado, let's dive in. Mowag Motorola produced the Piranha 3 line of armored wheeled vehicles. The Piranha 3 family of armored wheeled vehicles was created by Mowag Motor Wagen Fabriken of Switzerland, which is currently part of General Dynamics European Land Combat Systems, ELCS. Piranha family vehicles have been purchased and delivered in excess of 8,000 units. The LAV3 is a version of the Piranha 3 produced by General Dynamics Land Systems Canada, previously General Motors Defense. The cars are built in 6 different configurations, 6, 8, 8, and 10. The Piranha 808 and 1010 light armored vehicles are also licensed for production and marketing by BAE Systems Land Systems, previously Alvis of the United Kingdom. Armored personnel carriers, command vehicles, reconnaissance vehicles, fire support vehicles, repair and recovery vehicles, ambulances, mortar carriers, observation load carriers, and mortar fire control vehicles are all available. The Colombian Ministry of National Defense awarded General Dynamics a $65.3 million contract in January of 2013 to produce 24 LAV3 vehicles with a double V hull and add-on armor protection. Canada and New Zealand are both using the General Dynamics Land Systems. Canada, previously General Motors Defense, LAV3 808. The LAV3 was initially deployed with Canadian forces in early 2001 during UN operations in Eritrea. The Canadian federal government awarded General Dynamics a $1.1 billion contract in October 2011 to upgrade 550 LAV3 vehicles. In November of 2012, a $133.5 million modification contract was signed to modify 66 more LAV3s. The improvements will extend the fleet's life until 2035. The Striker is based on the LAV3, which is the core of the U.S. Army's Interim Armored Vehicle IAV program. Over 2,000 Striker IAVs are expected to be purchased by the U.S. Army. The vehicle was first delivered in July 2002 and entered service in November 2003. The mobile gun system is based on the Striker and consists of a 105mm cannon mounted in a low-profile turret integrated on the IAV by General Dynamics Land Systems. The U.S. Army granted GM GDLS, a joint venture between General Motors and GDLS, a contract for 10 Striker mobile gun systems in December 2001, and the first unit was delivered in July 2002. The build, the third-generation Piranha series, is built around a new lightweight hull design that provides enhanced variable ballistic protection, better payload against gross vehicle weight, and more usable interior room. Power pack on the front right-hand side, a central driveline system, independent wheel suspension, amphibious capability, and huge usable capacity at the rear for weapon stations, equipment, and personnel are all common design aspects across the family of vehicles. Piranha can be transported by C-130 plane. The Piranha basic vehicles are equipped with 2 propellers for water propulsion with a maximum speed of 10 km per hour in water and an amphibious kit for harsh seawater operations. A 10 kilowatt air conditioner and an Arctic heating kit for temperatures below -40 degrees Celsius are included in the air conditioning equipment. The Piranha vehicles are armed with a variety of armaments ranging from small caliber turrets to a 105mm gun for peacekeeping and peace enforcement missions. The use of replaceable quick-mount add-on armor packages provides ballistic protection. Mine and NBC protection kits are available, either an overpressure device or a set of collective face masks. The vehicles are equipped with fire and explosive suppression equipment. The Saab Aviatronics LED's active protection system was implemented on a Piranha 3 vehicle in September 2007, according to Mowag. LEDs have a sensor system and a dispenser for a range of countermeasures, and it is effective against threats such as IEDs and rocket-propelled grenades. Because of the modular design, a variety of high-performance engines and torque-matching automatic transmissions are available. German MTU 6V183TE22, 400 horsepower at 2300 RPM, and ZF EcoMat 6 horsepower 600 automatic transmissions are among the alternatives. Swedish Scania DSJ948A with ZF EcoMat 6 horsepower 600 automatic transmissions, 400 horsepower at 2300 RPM. Caterpillar 3126 350 horsepower at 2500 RPM with Allison MD 3066P automatic transmission from the United States. Cummins 6CT AA 8.3 T350 350 horsepower at 2200 RPM with Allison MD 3066P automatic transmission from the United Kingdom, US Allison MD 3560P automatic transmission, and a Detroit diesel 6V53TA 350 horsepower at 2800 RPM. The high level of mobility is provided by a hydropneumatic system that includes a height adjustment assembly at each wheel station, and an integral central tire inflation system, an anti-locking brake system, high power to weight ratio, and the selection of tires to suit the type of terrain. Piranha 4. Another new addition to the Piranha family of wheeled armored vehicles is the Piranha 4 808. The first prototype was finished in 2001 and the second prototype was finished in 2004. Add-on armor protection is available, including mine-resistant underfloor protection. The updated MTU 544 horsepower power plant has a higher power-to-weight ratio, a top speed of 100 km per hour, and a road range of 750 kilometers. The Piranha 4 is equipped with hydropneumatic suspension, anti-lock brakes, and traction control. The vehicle can carry up to a payload of up to 10 tons and may be transported by a C-130 aircraft. A number of weapon stations, including Rheinmetall Land System weapon stations with 12.7mm guns and Delco Systems 25mm and 30mm turrets, can be mounted and armed with a 12.7mm, 25mm, 30mm, or low recoil 105mm cannons. The Piranha 4 has been licensed for sale in the United Kingdom and a few other countries by BAE Systems Land Systems. A license has been granted to Komatsu, a Japanese corporation, to produce the Piranha 4 in response to a probable request for a wheeled armored vehicle by the Japanese Ground Self-Defense Force. The Piranha 5. The Piranha 588, which has a maximum weight of around 26 tons, was developed by General Dynamics in UK in collaboration with GDLS and Mowag. In September of 2006, a Piranha Evolution demonstrator based on the Piranha 5 took part in the Army's medium-weight day in Warminster. In July of 2007, Piranha Evolution was one of the 3 vehicles that took part in trials dubbed Trials of Truth for the utility form of the Future Rapid Effect System of the United Kingdom Army. The UK Ministry of Defence chose General Dynamics United Kingdom Limited as the provisionally preferred bidder for the utility vehicle design in May of 2008. In December of 2008, this preferential status was revoked. In August of 2011, the Piranha 5 vehicle was offered to the Canadian Close Combat Vehicle Program, equipped with Rheinmetall's Lance 30mm modular turret system. Orders for Piranha 3, LAV 3 armored vehicles from Sweden, Denmark, Ireland, Spain, and Switzerland have all placed orders for the Piranha 3. For deployment with the Spanish Marine Infantry, Sweden ordered the 1010 command vehicle and sensor vehicle for the coastal artillery. Denmark 808 APC, Ireland APC, and Spain 808 amphibious vehicles in APC, command post, and ambulance varieties. Cadillac Gauge 40mm 50 caliber turrets are fitted on Spanish APCs, which are an enhanced version of the U.S. Marine Corps UGW's upgunned weapon station with a new flat roof and composite armor. In 2003, deliveries began. Switzerland bought 36 radio access point trucks based on the Piranha 3 in January of 2003. In July of 2003, Denmark purchased an additional 22 vehicles, 11 APCs, and 11 ambulances, followed by another 69 in October 2004. In January 2006, Ireland placed a second order for 15 aircraft, 9 with the 12.7mm Kongsberg weapon station, and 6 with the Otto Malera 30mm armament system, to be delivered in 2007. Switzerland bought 8 vehicles for the Integrated Radio Surveillance Electronic Warfare System in January 2006, and Switzerland ordered an extra 26 vehicles in November 2007. Spain placed an order for 21 additional amphibious vehicles for the Spanish Marines in December 2007. Belgium awarded Mowag a contract for the first batch of 138 Piranha 3 cars in March of 2006. The total number of vehicles required is 242, and the second optional batch was delivered between 2012 and 2015. The order included 99 APCs, 32 with the Elbit 30mm overhead weapon station, 40 with the CMI 90mm turret, 24 command posts, 12 ambulances, 17 recovery and repair, and 18 engineer vehicles, as well as 7 variants. OIP day-night sights, laser warners, and Thales communication systems are included in the combat variants. Romania chose the Piranha 3C in December 2006, and the order was placed in May of 2007. Elbit Gear of Israel supplied the vehicles with 12.7mm unmanned turrets, as well as the driver's thermal viewer and other electro-optic systems. In 2017, the Romanian Armed Forces placed an order for the 5th batch of Piranha 3 808 wheeled armored vehicles. The Swiss Army ordered 160 Piranha 1 tank hunter vehicles to be converted to armored command vehicles in January 2007. Between 2008 and 2010, the deliveries were completed. The Kongsberg Protector remote weapon system is installed on the vehicles. Switzerland bought 12 Piranha 3C reconnaissance vehicles with nuclear, biological, and chemical capabilities in December 2008. The Brazilian Navy ordered 5 Piranha 3 amphibious vehicles for the Brazilian Marines in September 2006, and it was announced in February 2007. The vehicles arrived in 2007 and were sent to Haiti in 2008 as part of the UN mission. In December 2007, 5 more vehicles were ordered, followed by 18 in November 2008. Botswana's Ministry of Defense ordered 45 Piranha 3 vehicles in 2016. The country already has 45 Piranha 3s in its fleet. So if you enjoyed this video, please check out our other videos, and until then, stay tuned.